The transport sector poses many challenges. Shortage of trained drivers on one hand and lack of safe driving skill on other are major roadblocks. India has the worst road traffic accident rate worldwide with over 1 lakh of deaths annually. The authorities are also now adopting more professional approach to drivers' training. Currently, the auto sector is employing more than 13 million people, and there is a many-fold demand for skilled manpower in times to come. The Automated Drivers Training Testing and Skill Institute has been developed by ILFS Education on PPP format with RSRTC in Ajmer with main objective of road safety, driving skills, employability in the auto sector. The institute endeavors to inculcate the principles of safe driving techniques and conformity with rules and regulations. The institute imparts training on skill enhancement, road safety methods, economical driving methods, carriage of hazardous goods, driving in various road and weather conditions. The institute would develop skilled manpower to bridge the gap existing in the automotive and driving sector. The institute offers training in well-equipped classrooms with lectures delivered through K-Yarn on multimedia-based content by experienced faculty. The institute also provides facilities for conference, library, and medical attention. The institute imparts skills not only to the drivers in making, but also refreshes the skills of the practicing drivers. The institute has high-tech dynamic simulator for heavy vehicle and static simulators for LMV and two-wheelers, which enhance the driving skills, enabling training on difficult road conditions, vehicles conditions, and in responsiveness to emergency situations. Thus, the training is a mix of simulator training, track driving, and actual road training. The drivers are trained on a 1 kilometer long training track with duly controlled training vehicles by experienced instructors. The drivers are periodically examined on fully automated testing facilities equipped with latest sensors, cameras, and computers. The institute has training vehicles comprising of car, small commercial vehicle, bus, and multi-axle truck. The institute also offers various short-term courses for auto service technicians, diesel mechanics, and auto electricians. Digital literacy is an integral component imparted through a well-equipped ICT lab. The institute has lodging and boarding facilities for 100 students, including separate accommodation for women. In addition, the institute is offering vehicle health check services to ascertain the roadworthiness of the vehicles. The inspection and certification lane is fully automated, installed with French equipment. The facility shall help in ensuring that only safe and roadworthy vehicles are plying on the road. Our goal is to serve as a key institute for developing safe driving skills and bridging the shortage gap for training manpower in the transport sector.